This is Scalenut. It is an AI copywriting tool, and we're going to use it today in order to produce an email for us in under 2 minutes. So you can see how you could use this tool in your email marketing. Here I am on the dashboard. I'm going to go down to templates. Once I'm in templates, I'm going to hit the search bar and then type in email. You can see at the moment in Scalenut there are 2 options. It's the sales email generator that I'm going to go into. Click on this and you need to be able to fill out these boxes. We need our brand name, a description of the product that we are contacting, telling people about. We want the context of the email, and then we want the designation, so what role they have within the business. I've already filled this out here, as you could see, in order to save us a little bit of time, but you can put a lot more characters in if you need to. Once we've done that, we're going to go along and hit generate, and that's going to make the software within Scalenut work and produce some outputs for us. So here you can see we've got our full email, we've got our opportunity to put our first name in, we've got all of the copy, then we've got the signing out sentence, and then we've got our person who's sending it. We've actually got 2 outputs here that we can take a look at. If we find one that we like, we can give it a thumbs up, or if we don't like it, we give it a thumbs down. We can copy it straight to a clipboard, or we can add it to the editor. Once it's in the editor, we have the opportunity to write more. This uses the AI. We've also got this connectors tool if you want to expand a bit more. You can do all of your editing within the tool itself, so we can make certain words bold or underline. We can add a bullet point list. We can add links or images, and what this means, it's completely cloud-based. Once you've got it completed, you can cut and paste it into your marketing software, or you can cut and paste it into your email. And that's it. Scalenut in under 2 minutes. If you want to see more tools like this for email marketing, you'll find a link to the video on the screen now. It gives you 5 different tools that we've reviewed. You can watch that and see what you think. We'll see you in the next one.